over when I almost had the fish on it.
Yeah?
That shark coming after the fish.
Say that.
Sharks out there before when we were out, but they never come up after the kayaks.
No?
We've been out fishing like half close to boats. And you see the shark come up next to the boat.
You wants me to go in now, don't you?
Huh?
You wants me to go in.
You got nothing to worry about.
The big one's back.
I think so. Or I got him in the tail, one or the other. So he's pulling the boat around, shall I?
I know. Better be a kayak.
Look. Look.
Here, get him up.
It wasn't.
What?
I don't know what the f I got. It's taking the rod now.
Look. Matt. Look.
Fish do that?
What?
Fish do that?
What's that?
Doing this? What?
What?
Don't open your reel. Just don't do that.
Well, sure, I'm gonna lose it. Look.
Take your tray cable. Holy! Let it fire.
Holy.
Harry, do you want that?
No, you hold on then.
That's not a fish, for f***'s sake, run like that.
Holy crap.
That's not a fish running like that.
That's straight the f out.
That's a shark.
Oh my.
100%.
What?
That's not a codfish.
No way.
Jay, no, it's not snake, Jay. That is straight out.
I got a feeling.
Okay, I want to go in now.
Well, it's just running away. He's not coming towards you.
Yeah, I'll have me a bit of line left.
That's alright, you get more line. I never seen nothing like that.
Oh no.
It's gone.
It's gone?
Yeah.
Hang on, any? Oh yeah,
It's
yeah,
gone.
perfect. Oh my God, I never seen that before.
Oh no, it's not gone.
He not get. Woo!
Oh my
it's a shark.
God.
It is a shark.
Oh, alright.
Oh my God. Holy shark.
Oh,
Oh,
Thought-
God. There's two.
Alright, we gotta go.
Gotta go. Holy cut it. Come on, Scott.
all right.
Jay.
No splash, no big splash. We're good. We're good.
Kelly.
We're good.